Customers come to Integer because of our unmatched quality, capabilities, and reputation within the industry. Integer is responsible for products throughout their entire life cycle, whether that be simple components or complex finished devices that are packaged and sterilized and sent to our customers' distribution centers.
So throughout the product life cycle, Integer takes several actions to ensure cost containment for our customers. So during the development phase, you want to make sure that you choose the right processes that are appropriate for the volumes that you're going to manufacture, but then also that those processes are sustainable. And then of course you want to choose something that is ripe for continuous improvement so that down the line you can see those year-over-year savings for your organization and your customers as well.
Integer has a rigorous and disciplined, staged approach to product development. This approach takes the customer as well as patient and physician needs into consideration throughout the life cycle of product development. The intent of this is to mitigate risk throughout the process, both clinically and technically, so that we can produce products that are both manufacturable and meet unmet clinical needs.
Having experience with Class 3, which is the highest risk class of medical device, we really have the knowledge and the understanding of what it takes to bring a medical device to the market.
Integer's goal is to really provide a diverse range of capabilities for our customers to enable their business success across the markets that they serve.